back it up and what? Yeah. Put your arms out front, lean side to side.
Wait.
They gon' be on you when they see you.
wanna join the Adam? It's fine. Come on.
Ain't nobody getting with my bro from one side. He go my brother and he hit that up and cut. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I need town boogie. I show my moves on the everybody trying to do it. I live
Who wants to join Adam? Oh, who's next? Marcus, come on.
you just do you, and I'm a dude for that. Dudes what I hate, so they try to show me. Female can stay cool. I think they try to fool me. I make the sun shine bright when it starts blooming. It's being a bubble gum.
Wow,
I had to chew it.
Marcus.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how
That's from the Ramirez clan.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my buddy.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my
The
buddy.
name is John. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to dougie. And step up in the club, and all these girls but me. Your boy dancing, none of them know me. I hit the spot screaming like, hey, get it, brody. So I move my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we know that you can dougie on the floor. And when your boy stop it like Dougie Smo, I'm like your boy kinda tired, and I pass it to the bro. And boom, show these cats how to do that. Down south bitch that we learned a little too fast. Brought it to the hood and got the whole crew cat. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Good job, Marcus.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my buddy.
Since the kids started it, I want
Teach me how to duck.
little kids and big kids by the stage, please. Come on. Come on, Ate. We're gonna do the chicken dance. Let's go.
Come on, Jana. Come on.
Let's go. And I want the adults to be doing it too. Come on, stay here. We're gonna do the chicken dance.
Jana.
There's something behind that. Come on.
Jana, done.
Big kids, little kids, right here. Come on.
Come on,
Jacob.
Jana.
Tom, come here. Spencer,
I need to get
come here. Do the chicken dance. Let's go. Adam Allen. Austin Algic Dandan. Come on. Let's do the chicken dance, guys.
What about the fish?
Huh?
What about the fish?
Oh, you can do the fish, whatever. Come on, let's do the chicken dance.
Are you really
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
We all set to do the
Come
chicken
on.
dance. Come on, everybody. Let's do the chicken dance.
Come on.
Don't be chicken.
Okay, whoever knows the chicken dance, be in
I don't know
front,
the
please.
Everybody ready?
Come on, Grace.
Everybody.
Come on, do the chicken.
Just put the...
Want this one?
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Come on, I want to see this. Come on. Let's go. Dance, dance, dance. Come on, guys. Follow them. Those that are by their seats, you can do it too. Come on. Are you doing it?
Everybody go in a circle now.
Form a circle. Even though you're on the seats, form the circle and go around the house.
Round and round in the circle, everybody.
Come on now.
Now everybody walk in the
7 of
circle.
you. Go around.
Round and round in the circle. Everybody walk.
Circle, go around.
Round and round, everybody walk.